Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? System of linear equation. Pero this is not a typical. Hindi yung solve mo yung intersection. Meron siyang mga strategy na kailangan na approach. Pero madali lang. Now, crucial is that you want to express x in terms of a and b. So therefore, your goal is to eliminate the y. How will you be able to eliminate y? Your goal is to make these two to be of the same coefficient or opposite value of the coefficient, positive and negative. In this case, isang positive and negative na. If 4 and 2, pinaka-LCM nila is 4. Which means that we have to multiply your first equation here by 2. What will happen? We'll now end up with 6x minus 4y is equal to 2a. Copying down the second equation, negative 5x plus 4y is equal to b. Isang negative, isang positive, therefore we simply add the 2. So when you add the negative 4y and the positive 4y, that adds up to
0.
Okay? 6x plus negative 5x is
X.
and on right side will be 2a plus b.
Oh.
Eh, di ba, pinapahanap si x in terms of a and b. O, nandyan na. X equal to 2a plus b. Tapos na ang problema. Kaya ang sagot natin dito si letter A. Kaya madali lang naman i-handle si x. Kailangan natin harapin lang. Huwag natin iwasan. Okay, yun lang.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung upkat.